Hey guys, it's Ashley. I just did this haircut. It turned out a lot better than I suspected. Stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this haircut. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to cut my hair today by myself. As you can see, it's gotten long. The curls just look so dead in the back. In the front they look nice, but in the back they just look kind of lifeless and shapeless. So I just want to give it a little trim to get it back to how it looks when it's like freshly cut, like that fresh salon look. Fun fact, when I was trying to get my thumbnail, I accidentally like cut off a real curl. Hope you guys like my first video. Please like and subscribe. Okay guys, let's just get right into the video. This is for real. Let me stop playing around. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this. I watched a couple like videos before doing this, so hopefully I don't mess everything up. I don't know what to do. Okay, let's just start cutting stuff. Please don't drag me in the comments. I'm not a professional at all. As you can see, I'm just getting random pieces and cutting it. Like this part has absolutely no curl to it, so I'm just gonna cut it. It's a lot. By the way, I'm trying to go for like a shape. Like right now it's just all long, and I just want it to be like a shape. Obviously a shape, but like something more, not just all uniform, and something more layered, I guess. I also want to keep my length because it took me a long time to grow my hair like this. Like there was a time when I was in first year university, I cut my hair super short because it was dyed and I just wanted the color out. So I just cut it like literally like this short. I'll insert, I don't know if I'll insert a picture. Maybe I'll insert a picture. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so I cut it. This was like 3 years ago, so the only reason why it's only grown this much is because I actually cut my hair so often. Okay, we're starting to get some volume, and I think I want to cut like a bang thing. Should I cut bangs? Should I? I don't know. Wow. Except for this. Wow, okay. I don't know how the back looks though. Hold on, I need to go see the back. I'll be right back. I don't know if this was a fail. This side definitely looks better than this side. My hair has no products, guys, so when it has no products, it does get like this. But the length, let's see if the length is still there. I did lose a little bit in length. All right. Oh, there's no way I'm cutting all this. Okay, let me go wash it and stuff. Oh my gosh, I think I'm gonna like it. I think I just did something. Oh my goodness. This is so fun. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go wash it and style it and stuff. I'll be back. Okay, bye. Okay, so I'm back now. My hair is dry, kind of. It turned out really good. Like the cut, it's so defined. I got some coconut oil. So I'm gonna just separate these because they look a little stringy. Just get a little bit of oil. And we're just gonna go in the opposite direction. Separate it. Comment down below if you thought about cutting bangs in this quarantine, because this has been on my mind for like 2 weeks now and I just had to go through with it and I do not regret it at all. I highly encourage you guys to do your own haircut. Be careful though, but yeah, I hope you guys liked. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.